How to fix Telegram download stuck easily and fast. First thing, go to the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps that you have in your phone. So all what you want to do is scroll until you find Telegram, click on it, and here click on force stop, and after that click on data usage. Make sure to enable all these options. Go back again, click on the storage here, click on clear cache. After that, go back to the apps again, and this time search for Google Play Store services right here. Click on it and click here on force stop, and then click on storage, click on clear cache, and restart your phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later.